Oh, my hair is cute. Okay. I'm exhausted. I couldn't believe this happened to me because this never happens to me.
Bye, Miami, baby. Give me some Miami, lady. Bye, Miami, baby. Give me some Miami, dear. You do them
To Charlotte early in the morning, last minute trip, but I'm on my way. Just made it to the airport, so I'll see you guys there. You guys, it's a mess. So I was supposed to go on my flight. I didn't get on the plane. There was some technical difficulties with my ticket. So now I'm sitting here on the scale waiting for my next flight to be booked so I can get on the next flight to Charlotte. But I couldn't believe this happened to me because this never happens to me. So yeah, I'm looking like a little bum right now, but it's all good. But I just want to give you guys the update. Now, a lot of people are still on my ass in the airport, but yeah, I'm out. So let's see if I can get through this time. Ooh. No, you guys, my hair's cute, my hair's cute. Oh, my hair's cute. Okay. What? Oh no, I seen it too early. Oh, the gag is real. Hold on. Okay, you guys, I'll be back. Hold on. No, I should have shown them the before and after how the old wig looked.
I know.
This wig is 2020, okay?
You should have definitely showed it. It looked like when you found it.
Here he is. Freaking cute. It's so flat. Like, so flat. Like, what's on my head? You guys. I need to find somewhere to go tonight because no, I am. Dude, I feel like a little kid. I'm just so happy. Let's get into it. And this is not like a transparent. I think it's an old Masha lace, like back in the day lace. I swear. Okay, guys. So I am at the airport. Going to Mexico Cancun. So excited! I literally got here by like, what time is it? Like 5:30. Hold on. Hey. Yeah, so anyways, I'm so excited. Like, I'm finally going on vacation. It's been so long. I actually really want to go on vacation because like I want to get like cute, you know, body pictures. Not even the body pictures, but you know, I want to get cute vacay pictures and like a nice bikini set and stuff like that. So I'm super excited to just be in the sun. I think when I get there, I'll talk to you guys more. But it's an all-inclusive trip, okay? It's literally only for the weekend, so I'm there from Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and we leave Monday morning, which is perfect. I'm so excited. My outfit's so cute. I got this outfit from Urban Plan, which is so yeah, that's my outfit. You guys already know I love this company. So yeah, so I'm so excited. It's super cute. Like, it's only cute two pieces, and the new styles are bomb. But yeah, and they also like keep changing the gates, which is so annoying, you guys. Like, this is like my third gate, and I'm not open again. It's okay. Like, whenever my time to get in, I'll just get in. But we made it, y'all. Oh my god, the music is in the background, so I'm gonna chat to you guys soon. Just
another banger.
Come on, take a quick now. Okay, bye. Okay, talk to you soon. Bye. I'm exhausted. Okay. Hey guys. Okay, so yesterday was lit. Okay, I got super drunk. The bartender gave me champagne, and that was over from there. This is how this place looks. Now we're off. I feel like I have like a mini hangover, but not really. And I'm done drinking the alcohol here. I'm just gonna drink champagne. That's all I'm gonna ask for. Champagne, champagne, champagne.
Watch your love for like it, why not more than
at this place where they get food. So Mama asked a girl because she told me to use the barcode and scan it.
Hola.
I'm gonna be scanning. Hola, how are you?
Excellent. Welcome to Toscana Restaurant. My name is Luis. I will be at your service.
Yes.
Something to drink?
Yes, please. What do you guys have? Champagne? Yes, champagne.
Yeah, sparkling wine.
Yeah.
Let me know one moment I go back with your drink. I go back.
Thank you so much, Louis. Yeah, guys, I'm ready to eat. It's so hot here. I can't believe how hot it is over here. Hey, my love. I am legit getting ready. I'm legit getting ready to take some pictures, you guys, because I need to take some bomb pictures and I need to get it done like now. So today's the second day in and I'm about to just quickly get ready. It's hot, okay? It's like really, really hot. And when it's hot like this, my nose tends to sweat. But I like how my makeup looks. Let me just sweat for you guys. I don't know what's pretty good, yeah. Okay, let me put you guys right there. Yeah, I just need to take some pictures. If I'm able to like change into like all outfits and take them all at once, I'll be gone. So I can just enjoy the rest of my trip. I'm having so much fun, you guys. Why does my camera... Am I tripping? Oh, okay, it's just the way it looks in here. I thought I was giving orange a bit. I was, right? Yeah, I was, but yeah, so far, so good. Like this place is like all-inclusive resort. So wow. And I love the fact that you can like legit get drinks and stuff. I love that, you know? Today we're gonna go out for dinner. And then we're gonna go to like a piñata party. I'm gonna put pink on my lips today because I felt like yesterday I looked dull. And I think I'm just gonna be rocking pink lips for the whole weekend. Then you see me. And then I need my lip gloss. Hold up, guys. I thought I brought my pink. I thought I brought my other pink lip gloss here, but I guess I didn't. So I'm gonna. Hey, where's my lip gloss? Like my actual brand. I need to top it off. How big is everything? Hold on, guys. I'm sure it's here. And yeah, guys, let me just quickly spray my face. I don't really need to spray my face because we outside and it's really hot. So I didn't really need to do that. I really did not need to do that, to be honest. Yeah, my makeup is giving Barbie. It's giving Barbie. My makeup is giving Barbie, you guys. Period. So now I'm just gonna put on my outfit. I can't wait to show you guys my outfit because this looks so freaking cute. My outfit looks so freaking cute, you guys. You guys will love it. So we're gonna try it on or whatever. Ooh. I think it's a little bit messy, but I look cute. These pajamas are from Shein. Super cute, super comfy. I love it. And you guys, I leave my hair flat. Period. This is even a cute set just to wear outside too. Just to let you guys know. Look how cute this is. So let me put on my outfit and I don't know if you're even allowed to show this, but it's gonna cover up my knees. So nothing should happen. Look how good this looks on this. Love it. Yeah. So I'm about to pack up, put everything in my bag, and then we out. I'll put everything in my beach bag because it needs to go in my beach bag. But I'm trying to think because I really kind of want all my pictures literally taken at once. So I'm just gonna pack whatever I can. I am super hot. I'm at the beach now. Okay, I wear black to the beach. How can I wear black to the beach?
And I just hear voices.
You guys, I'm messing up. Hold on, child. I am messing up. Shit. You see the trees and everything? Go. Lead the way. I'm vlogging. You guys, it's... Ooh. I have my large hat with me. My water. It's a lot of walking. Like, child. It's a lot. It's a lot of walking. A lot of walking. Ah. Oh, child. Oh, you guys are still alive. Now it's dinner time. I'm about to fix up real quick. I literally just came out the shower and left my makeup on though, but it's so cute. Let me just fix up a little bit more. Give me 1 second, guys. I'll be back. I just took it. I'm not vlogging. I just took it in, guys. I'm not vlogging, but I just want to go in the pool for a bit. I just don't want to record with everyone here, but here is so gorgeous. Let me show you guys. I'm not gonna show you guys this place yet. But look at the place. And this is not even everything. And that's not even everything. And then here's my fit. Let me show you guys. Everyone thinks like I'm like Barbie here. But yeah, I'm about to go swim. After swimming, relax, you know, find some food, eat, and you know, just vibe out. But I'm taking you guys swimming with me, and we're just gonna take a swim. This place is beautiful, you guys. I love it so much. Right, so let me just get ready and go. I always tell myself like I need to be vlogging properly, but I just don't. I'm just kind of shy. I'm kind of shy. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, I'm kind of shy. But yes, I'm just taking a walk to the poolside. I think I'm gonna go to the quiet pool because I just want peace right now. I just want to relax, get my mind right and things like that. I'm just really trying to just relax my mind and things like that. Hair is beautiful. God, my feet is so long. It is so long, and I just can't believe it. But yeah, let's take a walk to the pool. Ooh, it's flowing. Yes, this is how you do it. Okay, bitch, we out here. This place is so beautiful. I feel like I'm in heaven. Okay, guys, I'm about to go swimming in the pool. It's so busy here. Like, this is the pool. Go ahead. So this is the pool, and I'm super hot. This is my bikini. Right, you guys, I'm so hot. Like, I'm so hot. But I feel good. I got my drink here with me. Cheers. I feel so good. I feel so relaxed. It just looks so good. I love it. I love it. But yeah, so far so good. Everyone's in the other pool, but I'm around the quiet pool. But I feel good and I'm relaxing. So let me just continue relaxing. I don't even know how I'm vlogging right now. And then there's a freaking bar right there. Let me show you. There's a bar over there. So yeah, I'm doing it.
Bye.